You've just stumbled upon a little known secret that takes regular people like you and me to 1K, 2K, and even 3K per month. But it's legal, it's ethical, and it's like getting a secret paycheck. And it's definitely not one of those gut-punching, life-stealing scams like filling out surveys or so-called data entry or trying to get cash from Google. Yeah, right. This is different. It's honest. It's for regular people like you and me. And the best part, you get money by typing words into your computer. How much you get from the computer is totally up to you. I think you'll love the proof that shows these secret paychecks are life-changing. Phil was depressed and beaten down. His nest egg had run out. He couldn't get a job at the local Greasy Spoon restaurant just around the corner. Local college kids even took all the dishwashing jobs.